Powerful Medicine is brought to you by Broward Health.
I'm Tony Segreto. Every 45 seconds, someone in America has a stroke. Every 3 minutes, someone dies of one. Knowing the signs and symptoms of stroke can save your life or the life of someone you love. Dr. Jonathan Harris, Medical Director of the Stroke Center at Broward Health North Broward Medical Center, stresses the importance of fast diagnosis and treatment of stroke. They're key to getting the best possible outcome.
There are treatments for acute stroke: clot-busting drugs, aspirin, blood thinners, sometimes surgery, but time to treatment is critical, so it's important to know the warning signs of stroke. Sudden numbness or weakness, confusion, trouble speaking or seeing, dizziness or loss of coordination, or a severe headache are some of the symptoms we want everyone to be aware of. If you experience them, call 911 immediately.
Powerful Medicine is brought to you by Broward Health. For more information or for a physician referral, visit browardhealth.org.